back to Bunny Barn Acres. So Freckles, one of our does, also known as a female rabbit, just gave birth to 12 little kits, which are baby bunnies. But the problem is she's only got 8 nipples, so we have one that's a little bit underdeveloped. It's not getting fed like the rest. We call it the runt. So this is what we do when we have a runt in the litter.
So Freckles has had 11 babies. They're all doing well, but one of them is just a little small. So I got some fresh goat's milk from our neighbor. And we're just gonna supplement this little guy and hopefully he gets a little bigger. Squeeze gently.
I think he's liking this.
Oh, it's kind of apple. Hold it like this and then squeeze gently. Yeah.
Me?
Now squeeze gently. Good job. Okay, now let him breathe.